Does that look like the middle to you?
Devon.
Okay, go for it.
Disrespect. You paying attention?
Expecting us to eat dinner at midnight tonight.
Have a wonderful time.
Hello!
What's up?
Today, as you can tell, my hair is wet, and that is because my sister is going to give us haircuts today.
A long overdue homemade haircut here in the backyard. And then we're going to dress up, look good for our date night again.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be the plan today. Just so you guys know, I have not gotten my haircut since April of 2019.
Yeah.
So I'm a little stressed, but I'm having faith in Alibi.
I'm not sure what style I'm gonna get yet.
We'll
figure it out.
Let's do this. Okay, let's go.
All right,
we have a
Alyssa is
hairdresser
here,
chair, and I
and
brought
Max
my-
is making into the vlog. This is Max.
Hi everybody.
My part changes.
Alyssa,
So I'll part it down the middle, cut it down the middle, and
Alyssa.
then you
So it can go
flip
any
flop.
which way.
have you done this before?
Well, I cut the top of Max's hair. So demonstration. Yeah,
I have my trimmer. Have you
exactly.
used
And
another
curly
trimmer
hair,
before?
no, never used trimmer. So we'll put some guards on it and make sure I don't cut your ear off.
Make
All
sure
right.
to lock it.
Does that look like the middle to you?
I can't see my own head.
I'm talking to Keith. I'm talking to Keith. People are gonna watch us who've actually cut hair and are gonna be like, what the hell is she doing?
Alright.
Needs to be wet. At least the top needs to be wet.
Okay, 1 second. I'm kind of cold. From the back?
Yeah, well, I need to get it all.
Ooh, you couldn't have chosen warmer water? It's definitely a bigger deal than Devon's little snip snip. This is an actual haircut.
Read between the lines, Keith.
Read between the lines, Theo. Read between the lines!
Devon!
Or will it stay on? It'll stay on. Okay.
It's like
And I go like this.
No, like this.
Update, this is still
I
going.
took off my shirt. We're still
So-
going.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
think
it
we're
looks so
good.
cute!
Yeah? Alyssa, thank you.
We've got our fabulous new haircuts. So now we're going to get dressed up.
Yeah.
Ta-da! Do we look fabulous?
A bit cringy, perhaps. All right, let's go to
No.
Monique's and select a country on the globe. We have the globe again. I'm going to be selecting a country this time.
So we don't have a blindfold, so Keith's just gonna close his eyes.
Okay.
Keep them shut.
Ready? Give it a good spin.
Hey, wait, one
And
sec.
twirl it.
I gotta spin it. Okay, go for it.
That was scary. This.
We're way in the ocean.
Oh my god.
Ocean.
Fully
Have to
empty.
do that again.
Okay, next time.
Okay, go.
Go.
Wait,
Spin it
you
hard.
gotta spin it. Okay, go.
We got Tehran. How do you pronounce that?
I don't know.
Tehran? We landed right here in Tehran, in Iran. So, tonight, Debbie, we're making some Iranian food.
Cool. Let's look up some stuff.
Very exciting.
According to Wikipedia, Iranian cuisine comprises of cooking traditions of Iran. The term Persian cuisine is used as well due to the fact that Iran is historically known as Persia in the West, even though ethnic Persians are only one of Iran's native ethnic group that has contributed to the cultural cuisine. We're learning new things already.
So I think we've decided on the meal that we want to make.
So we're gonna go to the grocery store and buy all the ingredients.
Okay,
Let's go.
to the car, Devon. Run.
We made it. Step one complete.
Now, Devon, while we drive over to the grocery store,
It's gonna write down everything we need.
we need the ingredients.
All right. Keith's parents' kitchen.
There was no parsley at the store.
So we got dried parsley.
So we got dried parsley, but I feel like that's a bit of a, what's the word?
It's not as authentic. We work with what
What's
we got.
the word?
Authentic.
Bit of a
I don't know.
disrespect.
No. Comment below if you know the word.
So we don't have parsley, but we have parsley flakes and all the ingredients necessary. I think the most important thing right now is to boil these. They have to boil for 30 minutes.
All right.
Let's get to it. Sorry, Mom. Sorry, Dad. There's peas everywhere. Hey, if I'm in the kitchen, I'm making a mess. That's just how I roll, baby.
That actually is like Keith's signature is making a mess when he's cooking.
But I cook well. Kinda.
$9.17 and we haven't even cooked them yet. Classic.
Typical.
We're following recipes as much as we can with the ingredients we have and what we have in this house. So we're trying our best, but obviously things are a little bit different. But so far everything looks really good. I'll show you the salad that I have been working on. So still have to stir that together. While our food cooks, I'm going to open us up a bottle of wine, hopefully. And we are going to look up some interesting fun facts about Iran to tell you and also for us to learn.
So Iran with a population of over 80 million.
Apparently blowing your nose in public is rude.
Alcohol has been illegal in Iran since 40 years ago. But it doesn't mean Iranians forget their traditions. Some still drink secretly arag sagi. Apologies for this pronunciation. Also known as Persian vodka. Usually contains 50% alcohol, but it can be even higher than that. It's like moonshine.
Iran is one of the largest producers of pistachios, caviar, and saffron. Iran holds 10% of the oil reserves in the world. What do you think, Keith, is the second highest export in Iran? So what do you think the first one is?
Oil.
Yes, correct. That is kind of obvious. What do you think the second thing is?
Saffron.
No. Good guess though. It's carpets.
Yes.
Carpets are the second largest export in Iran. Ooh, the highest point in Iran is the peak of Mount Devon. Iran holds the Guinness World Record for the largest hand-woven carpet.
It's already 10. I'm gonna go flip the meatballs.
As I said earlier today, I was expecting us to eat dinner at midnight tonight, so we're doing okay so far. It is now time to toss the salad. Look at how beautiful this is.
Wow, that is nice.
And our meatballs are cooking quite nicely. Look at that, and some nice broth, almost like a soup.
You paying attention?
Yep.
So, what was it called? Tadig was pretty cool to make. I don't know if I did a good job, and we're just about to see because I'm gonna flip it. It's supposed to be like a crispy rice cake upside down. Okay.
All right, fingers crossed. And
oh baby!
My gosh, Keith, it worked!
Look at that. What do you think of that, folks?
Wow, nicely done.
And we're done.
Cooking, that is. Look at this, it looks so beautiful. I feel like we're professional chefs. We haven't tried it yet, so who knows if it'll taste good.
Look at this.
But I'm so excited to eat.
Oh my gosh.
Woo! This starts with an S, this starts with a T, and this starts with a K. That's all I got.
Amazing.
So you want it in here.
Right
you
here.
can have a lot more if you want to.
I'm gonna try my rice, the crispy top of the rice.
Oh yeah, okay. Your rice can almost be dessert. It's good. With the sauce, it's really good.
Wow. That worked out.
All the recipes below that we like semi-followed, so.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna eat this and do dishes, and that's not very fun.
No.
So I think that just about wraps it up.
Thank you for watching our video today. I hope it encourages you again to literally spin a globe or pick one of those websites where it like gives you a random country and look up the food and the culture.
Like,
It's
it's a pretty
so
good idea.
interesting. Yeah.
Do that. But yes,
Anyways, thank you so much for watching.
thanks for watching.
Good night or good morning. Bye.
Good afternoon.
Thanks for watching.
Have a wonderful time.
Bye.
Ooh, hair's here.
Nice. Yeah, maybe don't.
Well, make yourself productive, Devon.
Yep.
Useful.
Okay, I'm going to start cutting up vegetables because I love to do that. Cut up vegetables.